Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can work and perform tasks just like humans. AI involves various algorithms and techniques that enable machines to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. AI has been used in many industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. In healthcare, AI is used to interpret and analyze medical images and assist in diagnosing diseases more accurately. In finance, AI is used to automate various tasks, such as fraud detection and risk assessment. In the transportation industry, AI is used to develop autonomous vehicles. AI technology can be divided into three categories: narrow or weak AI, general or strong AI, and superintelligence. Narrow or weak AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition or image recognition. General or strong AI is designed to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. Superintelligence is the hypothetical ability of an artificial intelligence to surpass human intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our quality of life in countless ways. However, there are also concerns about the ethical implications of AI, such as the potential for AI to replace human jobs and the risk of AI developing its own agenda that is harmful to humans. Overall, AI is an exciting and rapidly evolving technology that has the potential to make significant contributions to our lives in the future. As technology continues to advance, it will be crucial to remain mindful of the ethical implications of AI and strive to use this innovative technology for the benefit of humanity.